stuck.
Yeah. Yay! I did it!
There's a nice little flip around.
One.
Maddie is taking all of the cars and putting them in her new shopping basket. Hey! You want to see?
Oh, man! What's easy? I'm finished.
Look in the basket, Christian.
Okay. Oh!
Look in the basket. Christian, look in Maddie's basket. Look in the basket. Look at the pink basket right there.
Mine.
No, he's taking his cars out, Maddie. He's taking his cars. Get your cars, buddy.
She's going shopping.
Yeah. Animal. Animal.
J Limo.
Look.
Whoa! Lots of cars, baby. Cool.
You like your shopping cart, Maddie? Maddie, you like your shopping cart? I would assume that that's a yes, and she's stealing all of Brother's cars and putting them in there.
Oh!
Uh-oh.
Mine. Get you. Look at them.
Uh-oh.
Time to dump it. Time to dump the cart. Because she does that good.
You gonna empty it, baby?
You gonna dump it over? Christian will.
Yay! Tita. Yay! Hey, look. Oh, mine.
That Christian, that's Sissy's, buddy. Christian, that's Sissy's toy.
It does have all of your cars in it, but it is her toy.
Christian, play with your garage. Come here, buddy. Come here. Oh, no. Oh,